Welcome to the Kiearra D Scruggs Show. Welcome to the Kiearra D Scruggs Show. Living my life through this theme song. Freestyling on the beat, ain't no pun. Understanding, baby, this a real freestyle. No written lyrics, as I do on my show. Understand, this my theme song. Freestyle motion. Motown representing 3-town motion. I can do the thing every day of my life. Singing songs, rapping chick, when you go on the dice. Like the freckles on my face, I'm as real as ice. Baby, you can understand, I'ma be on this mic. To tutorials and it's trying to just inspire the world. Singing songs of love, baby, this is my world. So hey, it's Kiearra, and this is my first real YouTube video on my channel being remade over. And so basically, I'm gonna show you an Inkbox tutorial all the way through, because I showed you in my intro video that I had a little cat thing, little cat tattoo. So I'm gonna put the cat tattoo like here, or maybe I put it here. I'm trying to put it someplace where like I know for sure it'll be easier to take a photo, because I was trying out how to take this one. It hasn't been enough hours yet for me to show this in full focus. But so basically what you do is, I lost the instructions, so I've been watching a lot of videos on this, and I did it with my friend as well. So, but basically what you do is you open this little guy up. You open this little guy. We're gonna be back with some. I made a video saying this, but I did it in another video. First, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to wipe it with the prime wipe. It's in the other video how to do it for 30 seconds before you apply the tattoo. Make sure you wipe it for 30 seconds, and then after you do the 30 seconds, what you do is you wait 30 seconds for it to dry, and then you put on the tattoo. Just so we know, cause I thought I made a video and I did not. But now you know. Don't forget that step. We'll sneak back in. Let's go back to regular schedule. Hi, we're back. And if it looks like I was crying, or it looked like I'm getting high, it's not. I just have really bad sinus. But also, now we're gonna apply this tattoo. So what you want to do first is you want to pull this out of this. And then after that, what you do is you just place it on your arm. Make sure there's no creases or anything. So we're gonna do this. So he's a little cat. I was gonna do like an actual picture of my cat, but it just was all kind of weren't working out when I uploaded it the way I wanted to. So, because you can customize ones too, and so just want to make sure this is right, because they had a sale, so that's why I got two, because it was like 50% off. It was buy one and get one 50% off. So, but yeah. So we're gonna pull this off. You're gonna pull off the yeah, we're struggling. Okay. So you want to pull up a little liner thing. Not the tattoo. Did I put this on right? Oh my goodness. It's coming off all weird. Okay, here we go. It was like, what the fudge is going on? Okay, so you want to pull that off. And then after you do that, you want to leave it on for an hour. So, like for this one, I'm gonna wait, and then for this one, I'm gonna show like the 2-day thing for it, because it's only been like a few hours, so it hasn't been long enough for me to show you the darkening of it. So yeah, but I'm gonna show you the 2-day for this one, because this is probably gonna stay on till like, yeah, it's gonna take out we're like 24 to 48 hours to make it seem darker and see how it is. So here's that. Intro out. So I'm back, and I'm gonna make this video quick. So, you know, I took a shower and everything. I think this looks amazing. Like, it looks like a real tattoo. Look at this. It It looks so nice. Look at this. You would think I literally got a tattoo with this one. And I took a shower. And I took a shower. It looked like it got even better. And but this one, it looked like when taking a shower, it like faded out more. But I'm gonna post pictures of them as well, so you get more of a clear view. Cause I'm trying to figure out this lighting, so it's probably not really the best right now. But yeah, I got this is I love the cat. I'm gonna try to bring in my other ring light. I just didn't feel like doing it, but yeah. So basically, yep, this is. I think this is absolutely amazing. This is nice. This is after just, yeah, not even a full 24 hours, and this looks nice. Like, this is nice. So, once again, I'll put the links below. I want to make this video short. Most other videos, they be super long for no reason. I'm like, come on. But yeah, so shows you what to do. That's it. I recommend it, and I think I'll put the links down below, like I said, and put my social medias and stuff. Okay, and we're out.